Here. No? So we're here. Inside pa rin ng Pohang class. Aircon na dito guys. Malamig. Nandito na yung kanila command center Ano ba to? This is communication. Engine control. Cabin. Aircon here. Sa kanila modern pa to sa atin legacy system na sa. Okay, we're going here. Forward. Okay. Malaki din palang warship na to. Ito yung in-award sa Philippine Navy. Korea won. Ilang billion to na award. Several billions yung award. Ang nanalo is yung Hanjin. Kala ko yun day. These are the men and women of the Korean Navy. We're the only tourists here. What can you say? Malamig here. Here. Fox. Hello. Hello, Fox.
Ito yung rooms ng mga officers?
Saan?
Bedrooms nila?
Social sila? Of course, of officers' quarters.
There.
Saan?
Inside.
Kita? Officers' quarters na. Siyempre, iba yun. Yan. Matataas. Good for two. Aircon here. Malakas yung aircon. May sariling washing machine. Very nice. Cheap gunner's cabin. Alaga din pala si cheap gunner. What about this one? Chief engineer. Deputy captain. Very nice.